Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a very traditional cream, a sandalwood and turmeric cream. Very good for all skin types. Anyone having a combination skin, dry skin, oily skin, anyone can use this cream. It's very good to lighten pigmentation, to lighten dark spots, to brighten your skin, to give you a very natural glowing skin in an absolutely natural way, in an Ayurvedic way. So we'll quickly go ahead and start with the making of the product. The basic formulation will be shared as usual in the description box. Those of you all who would like to learn advanced formulations for selling, for your brands, you all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number for the workshops that we have. So here we have both our phases, our water phase and our oil phase to make this cream. In this I have taken a little bit of distilled water with some glyceride. Now the glyceride that I have used is infused with saffron and turmeric, so it has a natural yellow color to it. And here I have my oil phase. In this I have my blend of waxes, my thickeners, my skin loving ingredients. I have also added a little bit of almond oil for nourishing and keeping the skin well moisturized. So these are the ingredients, all the ingredients that are oil soluble in our oil phase. Now we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases and we'll make the cream. Okay, so we've gone ahead and heated both the phases, our oil phase and our water phase, and now we will combine them together and we'll give it a blend. Okay, so after combining both the phases, I've just left this for around 5 to 7 minutes to cool down completely, and this is how it looks. Now the solution is not yet at room temperature, it's not cold. So when it is warm itself, we'll go ahead and we'll add our powdered ingredients in this. Now here I have taken red sandalwood and I have taken amba haldi as the haldi that I'm going to be using. Both these have extremely good benefits for any type of antibacterial infections on your skin. If you have excessive acne, if you have breakouts, if you have redness, inflammation on the skin due to acne, it helps to soothe and relieve all these issues. So that is why I'm using these two. If you wish to, you can replace this with white sandalwood, and you can also use the normal regular turmeric that is used in the kitchen. So we've added our powdered ingredients and now we will give this a very good mix to combine all the powders together. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed all the powders in this, and you all can see how the color, how it has taken this color. Now the red color has got a little lighter because of the turmeric, because of the yellow color, so it's more like an orangish color here what we have got. Now we'll quickly go ahead and add our fragrance. I'm just adding a few drops of orange essential oil in this as my fragrance and my preservative, and we'll go ahead and give this a mix. Okay, so I've gone ahead and nicely mixed all the essential oil that I have put along with my preservative. Orange essential oil again is very good for the skin to lighten your complexion and to give a nice glow on your skin. So that is why I have added that. Since this is more of an Ayurvedic based cream, I have not added fragrance, I have added essential oil. So this is a beautiful texture of our cream here. It has a lovely creamy look but extremely lightweight on the skin. So when you apply this, it's very lightweight on your skin. It gets easily absorbed into the skin, and you have, and within 5 minutes you will feel that you have not applied anything on your skin. So do give this a try. I will be sharing the basic formulation, as I said, in the description box. And for those who would like to learn all these advanced formulations, you all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos, please do put it in the comment box. If you want me to share any specific videos with you all which you all would be interested in watching, I'll definitely come up with those as well in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much everyone.